Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly add a DNS record in GoDaddy, so let's get started. First thing first that we want to do is to go right here to your account. You need to know, guys, you have purchased domains, alright, and you want to add a DNS record. Well, the very first thing that you need to do, guys, to go here, select an individual domain to access the domain settings page. Here you can see, for example, for the sake of the video, these are our purchase domains. I need to select just one so we can go to the settings. You need to select DNS to view your DNS record right here. You need to select add new record and then select A from the type menu. After that, step number 5 is to enter the details for your new A record. For example, you can see the host name or prefix of the A record without a domain name. Enter @ to put the record on your root domain, or enter a prefix such as a blog or shop. To create a subdomain that points to an IP address, the name must follow these guidelines. Periods are allowed, but not as the first or last character. Consecutive periods are not allowed, and then we can see cannot begin or end with a hyphen right here. 63 characters in a row, not separated by a period right here. For example, you can see the literal example, and there is a 255 characters maximum. So the IP address the record corresponds to, this is commonly the IP address for a hosting an account. Then you can select add another value to add more IP addresses to this record. For example, you can see time to live, the amount of time the server should cache information before refreshing. The default setting is 1 hour. You can select add more records to add multiple DNS records at the same time. And if you change your mind, select this garbage option, delete, to remove any records that haven't been saved yet. Also, guys, select save to add your new record. If you added multiple records at the same time, select save all records as far as adding your DNS record. And if you want to manage them, guys, you can see right here your domain is registered with GoDaddy and is using our name servers. You'll manage DNS settings in your GoDaddy account, and your domain is not registered with GoDaddy but is using their name servers. You'll manage DNS settings in your GoDaddy account, and this is usually the case if you're hosting a website with us or using DNS hosting. Your domain is registered with any company but it's not using their name servers. You won't manage DNS with us at all, and you'll need to work with your DNS and or website hosting company instead. If your DNS is with us, you can add, edit, or delete DNS records in your account. A record right here, you can see the primary DNS record used to connect your domain to an IP address that directs visitors to your website. Add, edit, or delete any DNS record that's on prefix of your domain name, such as a blog, coolexample.com. A subdomain can be created using an A record that points to the IP address. The most common is a C name that points to URL, or even an MX record, guys. You can add it or delete right here. Shame, MX record, TXT record, SPF record, and NS record options are also here, guys, which you can exclusively check out right now for yourself. I will leave the link down below, guys, to this, because if you're adding your DNS record and managing one is definitely important thing for you. So please, you can check it out here, of course, in help section of GoDaddy. But you can also see this, adding a record, guys, adding a DNS record right here is really tricky stuff, and you can see we talked about it, guys, for 7 easy steps. That's all you need to do. But what you need to pay attention to is to just select a domain for which you want to add a DNS record, and not to do it for something else, because we can see the bundle right here of our purchase domains, guys. So please be selective and think twice about it, because it's really crucial for you to not mess some domains up. Also, if you have any other questions about DNS records, about anything related to GoDaddy, please write down in the comment section and I'll try to answer to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next time, goodbye.